Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Payoneer account. So if you're looking to make global transaction, then Payoneer might be the best option for you. So I'm going to teach you step-by-step process on how you can create your own account. So guys, let's get started. Now first, you need to check the link is in the description. Just click on it to get a free $25 after creating your account using the link in description. So once you click on the link in description, it will take you to this page. Now to start creating Payoneer account, just click on sign up and earn $25 button. Then on the next page here, select your preferred account type. The first one you have freelancers, then the second one is for online sellers, then the third one is for affiliate marketers, and the fourth one is for vacation rental hosts, and lastly you have account for individual. Now you need to choose the type of account that will suit your needs. So for me, I just choose the first one as a freelance. Next, you need to click on these options right here, which will be shown based on type of account you selected. Next, you'll be shown more about the type of account you have chosen. So mine is freelancers, agency, or service provider. Then next, you need to click on register button. Then you'll be sent to the Payoneer sign up page. Now the first section of this page is getting started. Below it, you need to select the type of business you're doing. We have an individual and a company business. So I'll just choose an individual type of business. Then next, you'll be asked to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address. Then down here again, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Lastly, on this page, you need to fill in your date of birth. So once you're done, just click on next and you'll be sent to the second section where you'll be asked now to fill in your contact detail. So here you need to fill in your country, then next street and number. On more address details, it is optional. You can leave it blank, or you can as well retype the above address details. Next, fill in your city or town. Then next here, enter your postal or zip code of the area you live. Then go to phone numbers, then enter your phone number in this blank space right here. Then the next blank space, just click on this send code. Then you'll receive a 6-digit code on your phone via an SMS, which you'll need to fill them inside here, right? After that, just click on next. Then on the third section here, fill in your security details. So that's your username, which will be filled by default, and that will be your email address. Then below it, you need to create a password, and here you need to have a strong password that no one can easily find, right? Then next, re-enter your password again. Then on security question, click on this drop down icon, and here we'll see a different question. Now select any that you are interested in, then come down here and give the answer to your security question. And then on ID details, select your country. Then on national ID, enter your valid ID number. Then down here, you need to fill in this random code in this blank space right here. Then once you're done, just click on next. Then on the last section here, you'll be asked to fill in the bank details so that you can withdraw money that will be sent to you personally or to your company. So next, select your bank country. So just click on this drop down icon to select your country. Then below it, select your preferred currency. I just leave it in Kenyan shillings because I'm from Kenya. Next, select your bank name. Just click on this drop down icon and find your bank name, right? Then on account holder, type in your name that matches your bank and ID card details. Then on bank code, just click on this drop down icon. Then you will see different code of bank you have set, right? Now what you need to do, just select the code and the bank in your area where you opened your bank. It's like a bank branch, right? Then down here, just check this box right here to agree to the terms and condition and privacy of Payoneer. Do the same on the second box. Check it to agree the pricing and fees. Next, just click on submit button. It's down here. Then here you'll see a congratulations message, meaning your Payoneer account is successfully created and it is in step 2, that is under review. The review process takes 3 working days for your account to be approved, but I'm going to show you what you need to do to be approved as soon as your account is created. Now, the next thing you need to do is to open the email you used to create your Payoneer account in a new tab. Then you will see these 2 emails from Payoneer indicating your account is under review and the time it will take for your account to be approved. Now, all you need to do is to verify your email. Just click on please verify your email address. The next here, just click on verify my email button and your email will be verified. Next, log into your account and update your security details. Immediately you will receive this email that your account is approved. So from there you can go ahead and receive or make payment with your new created Payoneer account. So guys, that's how you can create Payoneer accounts. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.